start would be so bad. This is warmed up. This is fully warm.
Well, I don't know about that, but that was semi-cold.
Oh, I gotta check engine light out.
Well, yeah, because there's no O2 sensor in there. But
Yep.
you know it's good.
But yeah, there's nothing in front of me, is there?
No, either way, I'm backing up.
Holy cow, I can feel it vibrating through the pedal. Oh, it's gonna be so fun.
10,000 plus horsepower.
Oh, this is gonna be a funny video
Plus
later,
10,000 horsepower.
For some context, we're working on replacing the O2 sensor. Had to take off the downpipe and decided to leave it like that because now we need to go get
New parts
penetrating oil. All the windows down. Oh, it sounds like a diesel. Alright, I'm just gonna. Okay, eco mode off. Eco mode off. Right. Okay. 7.9 miles per gallon. Let's go. Freaking derby car. It does sound like a rally car. Okay. We're doing manual pull now. Alright, ready for this?
Put my window up because it's going to be so loud.
I'm not putting my window That's not so bad. Oh, that's pretty bad. It sounds like a dirt bike. I need to be able to see you. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, I can just feel the whole back of the single.
This is not good. This is so bad. I feel so bad. You never ask for anyone's number there again.
Oh man,
Okay, no one.
what a great idea.
We got a while to go. Oh yeah, it doesn't sound like 2. What does it say?
1 to 2,000, it's not crazy. As soon as you step on it, it's pretty bad.
Just sharp my hands. Oh, that's obnoxious. Yikes.
Touch the gas, it all goes downhill. It's like, whoa, it's a sick idle. Then
It's so bad.
it's pretty smooth.
Pretty smooth. Pretty smooth because I'm going as slow as humanly possible. Okay. It's one of the worst sounds I've ever heard from a car. Like, that is not quite silent here. But, like, it's not glorious. It's not good. It's just sharding yourself over and over again. It sounds like a VQ. I don't get people who sing in their cars and then genuinely think, oh, it's entertainment. Obviously, sometimes it can sound better straight back to others. But holy crap, just the level of noise. You're not going to be able to listen to music. You're not going to be able to hold in conversation.